Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Mark Thompson and these are Alteryx tutorials. Today's session is going to be a short one. It's actually pretty easy. It's using regex and it sounds like a tricky question, but it isn't really. With it, up here the explanation is we've got an input data set with a list of values right here, and we want to get them looking just like that. We want to create a workflow to remove the vowels, including Y, from the input, that's the input, except for the vowels which are the first letter of the word. Test the results against the expected values to ensure that your solutions perform as expected. To do this, we're going to create a regex, a very simple regex. First thing we do is let's go ahead and create an actual results, input data, expected results, actual results. And then we're going to take and modify that actual result. And the way we're going to do that is we're actually going to do a replace, but we're going to replace it with nothing. And how are we going to do that? We are actually going to put in square brackets, A, E, I, O, U, and oh yeah, by the way, let's stick in a Y because they did say including Y. And we run it. And boom, you can compare the expected results against the actual results. This is our control column, universal control, Y, Y, capital M, R, Q, capital C, R, E, W, doesn't alter anything except for the letters, which are all lowercase in this square bracket. Quick and simple one today. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, please like, please share, please leave your comments. I am again Mark Thompson, and these are Alteryx tutorials. We will see you next time.